Do not scroll. There's a story in the Quran, a story so powerful that if you truly understood it, you would never look at life the same way again. If you love Allah, watch this video to the end. We read the Quran, but sometimes we forget. These are not just words. These are lessons for our souls, messages from the Creator of the universe, directly to you. And today, we are going to uncover one of the most powerful stories ever told. This is the story of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, and Khidr. A story in Surah Al-Kahf, where Allah shows us what trust in him really means. Musa asked to learn from Khidr, but what he saw shocked him. A boat destroyed, a boy killed, a wall rebuilt for strangers. Musa didn't understand. None of us would. But at the end, the truth came out. Every action had wisdom behind it. Wisdom from Allah. The boat, it belonged to poor people. Destroying it saved them from a king who was seizing every good ship by force. The boy? Allah would replace him with a better child for his parents, one who would bring them peace, not misery. The wall? It hid treasure for 2 orphans, until they grew up strong enough to protect it themselves. Musa learned. We learn. Sometimes what looks like pain is actually mercy. How many times have you asked, why is this happening to me? Why did I lose that job? Why did my life fall apart? Maybe Allah is saving you from something far worse. Maybe Allah is building something for your future that you cannot see yet. This story teaches us sabr, patience. It teaches us tawakkul, trust in Allah's plan. Because what you see is only one page. Allah sees the entire book. So next time your heart breaks, next time life confuses you, remember this story. Remember that Allah is the best of planners, even when you don't understand. Tell me in the comments, what moment in your life made you finally trust Allah's plan? Share this video so someone else can find peace through this story. And subscribe, because we have more powerful reminders coming.